what's up everybody? It's Meredith Strickles Training and I'm super excited because I have Coach Greg here for a high energy fat burning workout.
We're doing it.
You guys know the drill. We're gonna do all the workout, all the exercise together and then do an awesome workout. So let's get going. First exercise is the front side kick. I know it sounds odd, but it's like a donkey kick. So I didn't want you guys to be on the ground for this, but this is a great glute exercise. So what we're doing is planting one leg. I'm going to plant my left leg first, about 45-degree angle. I'm going to bring my right leg up to a bended position, then out, and then kick. And I'm only going to bring it down to about knee level, and then come back up. Working my glute, and also my hamstrings and my IT bands. A good stretch is just that line that goes straight up from your side. Good. We're going to switch sides, same thing, and I really want you guys to enter into this the right way. So from here and then up and kick, because that's what's really going to get you that glute kind of squeeze that you're looking for. Good. One more, boom. Next exercise is going to be a jumping jack or a side step jack. So jumping jacks, you guys know. Step jacks, we'll do them together, and we can do front jacks as well. So step jacks, you're stepping and then step, and then he's doing from the front. So this is a good modified version if you have knee problems, back problems, hip problems. Then we're going into a side shuffle. So right from here, you're gonna drop it down to a squatted position, and we're shuffling this way first, right? Yep. So you go left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left.
Do a little
right,
dance routine
left,
for you guys.
Right, left, good. So just really sweeping, noticing that I'm trying to sit back and pull into my glutes down and around my hamstrings, okay? Last one's gonna be a monkey pump. You guys love this exercise. Hands come up, right? Start here, up, in,
Boom.
and boom. Right?
Boom. Let's do it.
So just pumping, really making sure that your elbows are staying above your chin, if you can. So elbows above the chin is really difficult because you have to really squeeze into your core to keep it nice and tight. Right, so squeezing and up, squeeze and up. Last one. We're just warming up here. I'm just showing you the exercise right now. You're already sweating. Good, last one, and pull. So let's do it. You guys know the exercises?
Good.
You ready? Got this?
We're ready.
So 30 seconds each exercise. Get in position, find something, a chair, a countertop, anything you put your hand on. We are starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. So from here, really feel like you have control of your leg, okay? You want control, you don't want to just let it fall and then kind of kick out. You really want to make sure that you're controlling from your glute when you come up with this, good. Both hands will give you a little bit more lean, and you'll find yourself getting more work in the side of your leg, good. Good, switch sides.
Balance as well.
Yeah, balance, a little bit of balance, a little bit of strength, you know, a little bit of grace. Gotta be graceful. These new boys coming on the channel. I think they're big, strong. Come on.
I got a lot to learn.
Gotta teach them a few things, right, ladies? Gotta teach these guys a few things about movement.
Glutes are burning.
Yeah, 3 more. 3. There you go. 2 and 1. Good. Yeah, you should be right here burning, right? So now we are jumping jacks, step jacks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. So if you can do these jumping jacks, awesome. If you can't do the jumping jacks, you're just doing side jacks. Step jacks, step, 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 step. And you can like speed it up so you see I'm kind of kicking my feet side to side. You have a bunch of different variations as long as you're moving your arms and your legs at the same time. I'm happy. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Side shuffle. So chest up, shoulders back. We'll start this way. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back. 1. Keep that chest up. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and sweep. 2, 3, 4. One more round.
We're doing it.
2, 4, and then notice sweeping. Staying nice and low. Rolling over under. Last one. Good. And back. And stand. Woo,
Oh,
your
yeah.
legs should be on fire right now.
Oh,
Shake
yeah.
it out. Going right into monkey pumps. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Good. Keep those elbows nice and high.
Oh yeah.
Keep those
Feeling
knees
that.
loose. Good. And roll tailbone under. So pull your tailbone under. Good. Bend those knees, you got it, good. Here, pulling, breathing as you move. Here, notice how when I come forward on my elbows, I'm really stretching. Stretch, and then come up and open. Okay, let's go 5 more.
Here we go.
4, 3, 2, and 1. Reach and down. Woo!
Oh yeah.
First round. High energy, fast burning workout. Get some water if you need it. All right, everybody, second round. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Front side kick. 3, 2, 1, and go. Last one's always the best one. Last one's always the best one, of course, right? So, side shuffle and jumping jacks. So, let's go that jumping jacks. Woo. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. So, keep a good rhythm when you're doing this, and just make sure your core stays super tight. Core stays tight, chest up, shoulders back. Feel like you're really locked into place, and you're not moving off of that axis. Five, good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Side shuffling. Take a big breath into the nose, out the mouth. You ready? And there you go. Down, get down. There we go. There we go.
We getting low
There
today,
we go. Getting low. Good, getting low. Gonna feel more in your glutes. Good. Good. Let's go. One more.
Gosh.
2,
Throwing off my rhythm.
3.
Throwing off my groove.
Okay, one more. Okay, you got this. Sit down. Sit down with everybody. You got
Stay
this.
with it.
And last one. Woo! Stand up. Shake it out. Shake it out.
I feel pretty good.
What a workout, right? Now monkey pumps now.
Got one more.
3,
Finish strong.
2, 1. Together.
Oh my gosh,
Good.
I can't even do it.
Yo,
There
you
it
got
is.
it. You got it. You got this. Focus on up, down, together, out. Up, down, together, out. Up. We're having fun. That's what he said in here.
You gotta tell yourself that.
High
sometimes,
energy.
you know?
Here we go. Yes.
We're burning some
Feel.
fat.
Feel it burn.
Feeling
Let's
good.
go 3 more of these monkey pumps. Get those elbows up. 3, woo, 2. Last one's the best one. Reach and down.
Oh
Woo.
yeah.
All right. What do you think? One more round?
I thought we're here. Why not?
Might as well, right? Shake
keep
it
it
out.
going.
Keep your neck loose. Remember, this is 2 rounds. This is hard. If you want to get this 3rd round, stick with us. If not, take a second, hit pause, get some water, and then do it again, right? So
Okay.
here we go. Front side kick. 3, 2, 1, and up and back. Good. Good. Really be intentional with your movements so that we don't hurt ourselves, especially when we're tired.
Oh yeah.
2, 1, switch sides. So, we're working a lot on moving in different ways, probably things he's used to as well.
Absolutely.
So, I'm learning, he's learning, you guys are learning. If you're not learning, then what is life, right? You gotta learn something new every day. Good, 3 more. 3, you got this. 2, 1, and switch to your jumping jacks. Ready? Last set of jumping jacks. We got this, people. 3, 2, 1, and go. Guess how long it's been, you guys? How long has this workout been? 7 minutes!
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, right? Not that long, but we are getting it. And that's what it's all about. Maximum amount of output for results, minimum amount of input for energy. Right? Pretty awesome. Three, 2, one, side shuffle. Ready? You're ready to start over here. So get nice and low, and ready?
Yep.
Let's go hands behind the head. Good. Push it a little, chest up. Oh, run into each other, 2,
Push me off.
3,
Core.
4. Woo, ready?
Yep. 1,
2, 3, 4. Last one. Woo! Stand, shake it out. Last set of monkey pumps, you guys doing awesome. Let's get this. Last one, 3, 2, 1, ready? Really breathe. Keep your core nice and tight. Make sure that you're
breathing heavy.
sitting over your hips. You're not leaning forward or leaning back. Good. Let's go 5 more. 5, 4, you got that. No, 3, you got this. 2, 1, reach. And down.
Oh yeah.
Woo! I am throwing my sweat on you guys. What an awesome, high energy, fat burning workout. Coach Greg loved it. I loved it. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Like this, share it, and I'll see you guys. Well, you'll see you guys, both of us, on the next one.
Of course. See you guys.